This video explains how to synchronize the time from a Mitsubishi GOT2000 to a Melzek CPU FX5U. Hello, welcome back. This is Gerd Zeller from Zeller Presscontrol Systems, and here is how easy it goes. Actually, you can see the special register from the CPU, from the FX5U right here, which is the year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and the day of the week. And in order to adjust it, it is very easy with the GOT2000. On the upper left corner, you just push this upper left corner right here, and then you can see the broadcast disuse, and if you push this button you can select on how the time will be set via the broadcast. In this case it is basically set to 60 minutes. I will change this to 1 minute, and you can see it very fast on how it changes. And if we wait 1 minute, we can see the change, the time actually changing to the time that is set on the GOT2000, and it should come up any minute. There it is. Now you can see how the date and the time changed, and this is how easy it is to synchronize the clock from the GOT Mitsubishi to a FX5U. Thank you for watching.